All right, welcome back for section 2 of unit 1. So in this section, we need to know, after the end of these notes, we need to know all of these different vocabulary words or phrases. The good news is that these should all be review from Math 1 last year. So the first thing we're going to talk about is corresponding angles. So two angles that are corresponding. Oh, by the way, before we go on, this is one of those videos where you're going to want to pause it a lot because I'm going to go faster than you can probably write. So corresponding. One example of corresponding would be angle 1 and angle 3. They both touch this line right here, so that makes that the transversal. So they're on the same side of the transversal. They are each on the left of these two other parallel lines. Those are corresponding. Also 1 and 9 would be corresponding. So they are on the same side of this transversal, both on the left of the transversal, and then each one is above the other two parallel lines. So angle 1 and angle 3, or you could say angle 1 and angle 9. So next is alternate interior. So alternate interior, an example of that would be angle 11 and angle 14. They are both touching this line right here, so that makes that line the transversal. 11 and 14 are on alternate sides or opposite sides of the transversal. Then the other two lines that they touch are these two parallel lines, and they are both in between or inside on the interior of those two lines, so they are alternate interior. Another example of alternate interior would be, let me erase these. Angle 7 and angle 12. So those both touch this line, so that makes this the transversal. They're on alternate sides of the transversal, and then they're both in between those two lines. So I think we said angle 7 and angle 12. And then also angle 10 and angle 15, I think. Alternate exterior. So alternate exterior. So 9 and 16, angle 9 and angle 16 would be an example. So if I look, they both touch this line. That's the transversal. They are on alternate sides of the transversal, and they are both on the outside of these two lines. Neither one is in between, so they're both on the outside. So alternate exterior. Another example of alternate exterior would be angle 3 and angle 16. So all of these, there are more examples than I'm giving you, but you guys can figure out all those other ones. And it's review, so I don't want to do every single one because that would be too boring. All right, so it's same side interior. So now we need, or another way we might say this is consecutive interior. So consecutive interior and same side interior are the same thing. So I could look at angle 6, my pen is not working.